girls, it's kind of cold out here, isn't it? Chickens! Back up. It's windy. A little windy. There, you guys want some water? Wow. Broke the ice out of it first, huh? Drink it before it freezes. Got plenty of food. Alright. Good deal. Alright. How many eggs? Oh, whoa. Goodness. Oh yeah, we got lots of eggs. Lots of eggs today. Windy. Don't do it. Alright, well, I'm going to grab those while you're chilling. Deciding if you want to lay one. Alright, so we need to melt the butter and then cream the eggs in the mixing bowl. I'm going to use this container here, so this ought to be big enough, maybe. Alright, let's melt the butter. Heavy cream. And the eggs. 3 eggs. Whisk them. Whisk it all together. Alright, so half a cup of coconut flour. Boom! And then it says 2 tablespoons of the sugar substitute. We're going to use some stevia blend erythritol here. So it says 2 tablespoons. I'm going to go ahead and do 3. So 1, 2-ish. It's not going to be quite 3. Maybe 2.5. Then our salt, baking soda, and stir well. Alright, so we got that all added in, and now we're just going to give it a good toss around here. Just judging by the ingredients, there's no way this tastes like cornbread. But we'll give it a try. We'll give it an honest effort. Alright, so there's what we got. We're going to put it in there in the oven at 350 for 20 minutes. It's done?
Yeah. The recipe's not good.
Not done.
No good.
20 minutes wasn't enough. Oh. So it ended up being 30 minutes. And we're going to let it cool off and then take it out of the container here. Alright, so here we go. It's really solid. Definitely has the consistency of cornbread. Tastes quite a bit like it. Honestly, I'm really surprised. So actually, I would take this as a huge success, because this was a really easy recipe. So I'll leave a link in the description to the recipe. Anybody wants to give it a try. It's thatlowcarblife.com, so I'll leave it in there. So anyway, guys, till next time, thanks for watching.